Good morning, guys. We are getting started. We're in the hair and makeup chair. I'm here with Olivia, the amazing Olivia, hair and makeup artist, and Carmel, our amazing photographer, and of course, Miss Fee, who's always here always lurking. So we're getting started. We're running all around LA today. We're going to all my favorite places. The concept for this shoot is, it's basically my life. So this product is something I've always wanted to make. It's like part of my everyday routine. The entire campaign is about my life. So we're going to all my favorite places in LA. Super excited, and you guys are coming along. I am drinking a very large green tea right now.
And we're already late.
So we're always late. And then we're headed to Malibu, so talk soon. Okay, you guys, the hair and makeup is done. We did some clip-in extensions if you're wondering why my hair suddenly grew 10 inches. It's a lot of hair. I like it. Makeup is like this. How do you show makeup?
Like that.
That's my makeup. First location is in Malibu. There's a lot of traffic, so we're running a bit late, but that's okay. The vibes are immaculate, so let's head to the shoot.
Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar.
Just doing some lashes in the streets.
In the road.
In the road.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
This is the glamorous part of photo shoots.
This kind of is glam. Like, we are in Malibu.
On the side of the beach. Putting on some lashes.
First location is Zuma Beach in Malibu. This is one of my favorite beaches, and I can't wait to shoot here. Squad is setting up.
What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then
Hi guys, so we are now at Abbot Kinney for this portion of the shoot. We actually rented a Bronco. I'll show you guys when Greg pulls around, and that's a major part of the shoot today. We're fixing my extensions as we speak, and we have a special guest.
Who is the special guest?
So it's all go, go, go here. We have a new outfit on.
Oh,
Love it.
love it. Hi.
What up, Pete?
Oh God.
Vlogging out here?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Lulu, that's a pretty stick car, huh? What do you think? What do you think about it, Lulu?
I know.
Who's that, Lulu? Hi! You did the Bloom girls?
weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so delusional. I have lost my grip, but I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this, I'm not that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious.
Okay guys, that is a wrap on shoot day number 1. I am exhausted right now. We ran all around town. Lulu was in a bunch of the shots. We had such a good time. The team really hustled and made it come to life. So shout out to the Bloom team. Yeah, I'm so excited for this product to launch. Stay tuned. The Mari and Bloom collab launches on March 28th. Put it in your calendar, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.